In this video, we're going to go in and show how an oligopolist or a monopolist will go in and choose their units of output and whether or not this firm is making a profit or a loss. So in this particular case, we've been given a set of curves. So we have our downward sloping marginal revenue curve. We have our downward sloping demand curve. Here is our upward sloping marginal cost curve. And then here we have our average total cost curve. So when it asks the question, the profit maximizing level of output is, we've already seen in earlier chapters that a firm will always produce where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So in this particular case, marginal revenue and marginal cost are going to meet right here. So they're going to be producing an output level of 160 bagels. All right? But the price is going to be determined by when you start here at the marginal revenue curve and you draw your line all the way up to where it strikes the demand curve. In this particular case, this monopolist is going to be a profit-seeking entity and a price-seeking entity. So they're going to go in and they're going to be charging the highest price that they are able to get, which is where the 160 unit line strikes the demand curve. So in this particular case, this firm will be selling their product for $5.50. Now, at the profit maximizing output and price, the store's profit is going to be equal to. Now remember, profit is total revenue minus total cost. So in this case, our total revenue is going to be price times quantity. So the price is going to be $5.50 times quantity, which is going to be 160. So our total revenue is going to be $880. Now the total cost is a little bit harder to come by because in this case we do not have the total cost curve. So to get the total cost at where we're starting out at 160 units, we're going to draw the line all the way up to where it strikes the average total cost curve, because average total cost times quantity gives you total cost. So the cost of each unit is going to be $7 per unit. The quantity is still going to be 160. So 7 times 160 is going to give you a total cost of $1,220. So your total revenue of $880 minus $1,120 is going to give you actually a negative number, or a profit of negative $240. So what this means is, in this particular case, the profit maximizing choice, this particular store is making a negative profit because of this negative right here. And that means that there are actually more stores in the industry relative to what there should be in the long run. So let me scoot this down a little bit. So there we go. So in this case, there are more stores, which means that this particular firm is making a negative profit.